The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite stands out as an ambitious model in the mid-range tablet market, combining productivity and entertainment, designed for professional users and creative minds. This device draws attention with its refined design, powerful hardware, and functional S Pen experience. In terms of design, it offers a structure that is both stylish and portable, thanks to its ultra-slim 6.6mm and lightweight 524-gram metal body. Color options like gray, silver, and coral red allow users to reflect their personal style, while the minimalist bezels provide a modern look. One of the device's most striking features is its 10.9-inch 8K Plus resolution TFT LCD screen. With a 90 Hz refresh rate, it delivers fluid visuals for experiences such as navigating the interface, watching videos, and gaming. The Vision Booster technology and 600 nits of brightness ensure the screen remains clearly visible even outdoors, while the SGS-certified low blue light feature minimizes eye strain during extended use. At the heart of its performance lies the octa-core Samsung Exynos 1380 chipset, developed with 5nm process technology. Processor speeds of up to 2.4 GHz, combined with 6 GB and 8 GB RAM options, deliver smooth performance even in the most demanding multitasking scenarios. The 128 GB and 256 GB internal storage options are expandable up to 2 TB via a micro SD card, providing users with massive space for photos, videos, and applications. One of the most significant features that sets the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite apart from its competitors is the included S Pen. With its low latency and high precision, it offers a natural writing experience for taking notes, drawing, and editing documents. Preloaded professional applications like GoodNotes, NoteShelf, and Clip Studio Paint maximize the S Pen's potential. Furthermore, with Samsung DeX support, it is possible to transform the tablet into a desktop-like computer experience. On the camera front, it features an 8MP rear camera capable of 4K video recording and a 5MP front camera ideal for video calls. The audio experience is enriched by dual speakers tuned by AKG with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound quality while watching movies or listening to music. Its massive 8,000 mAh battery allows you to easily get through a full day of heavy use on a single charge, and with 25W fast charging support, it quickly regains its power. Equipped with the latest connectivity technologies like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and optional 5G, the tablet promises a secure and user-friendly software experience with the Android 15 operating system and One UI interface. In conclusion, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite redefines the standards in its segment by offering premium features in an accessible package.